What is up, guys? Welcome back. I don't know, this might be day 4, 5. I'm actually not even sure, but I got this nice chrome trim piece that we're gonna throw on the side of the car. Been waiting for this, came from Germany, so just gonna go ahead and throw this thing on there, finish up the entire belt line of the car. It's the last missing piece of it, and then we're pretty much good to go. So let's get into it. So this clip slash grommet is actually like the factory one, but it didn't break, and it got sprayed over at the paint shop. I do have new ones, but you know, I'm actually gonna try to just run this one and slide the trim on like that. So this is on the passenger side. It should just slip right onto the track right there, and then this will snap into place. Gotta wiggle it, and then this will line right up in there, and then just give it a little, or maybe, there it is. Just a solid snap in place. Hopefully I don't lose this, because the other one broke off on the freeway. So this side's pretty much all cleaned up. This is nice. This is not so nice. Got to get a new one. I found a place in Canada that sells these remanufactured with metal and everything, and I think I'm gonna buy that. They're very expensive though, but that'll be on the wish list. Also gonna get a new one of these little covers for the hard top, just because this one looks a little faded. And then if we go to the other side, this shit broke completely, so I gotta get a new sensor and then the new plug. And then this piece is broken right here, so I gotta get a new one from this. For this side, the driver's side. Also, the same company in Canada makes this piece. Empty stomach grumbling. I don't know how this shit works. I don't know how this works. Yeah.